here is an example on how to calculate using logarithm table. And here we have to calculate 2.934 squared multiplied by square root of 72.89. Solution. Since we are doing this in tabular form, so we draw a table first. We have the number, we have log, and here we have the workings. Now the first number we have here is 2.934 all raised to the power of 2. Now to find the log of this number that we have here, you first find the log of 2.934. And to find the logarithm of 2.934, we take the integer first. And to get the integer, we count the number of digits we have before the decimal point. Here we just have one digit before the decimal point. Then subtract 1, we have 0 points. Now under your logarithm table, we calculate 29 under 3 difference 4, which gives us 4675. But here we have times 2 raised to the power of 2. That gives us times 2. And this, we can work it out here, 0.4675 times 2. We have 5 multiplied by 2, 10, 0, you take 1. 7 multiplied by 2, 14, plus 1, 5, you take 1. 6 multiplied by 2, 12, plus 1, 13, so we have 1 here. 4 multiplied by 2, that's 8, plus 1, 9. So we have 0.9350. So yeah, it's equal to 0.9350. Now move on to the next number. We have times root of 72.89. Also, we look for the logarithm of 72.89. And the first thing we have to do is look for the integer parts first. To find the integer parts, we count the number of digits we have before the decimal point. 1, 2. We have 2 numbers before the decimal point. So you subtract 1, 1. So that means the integer here is 1 point. Now take the logarithm value from the logarithm table. 72 under 8 difference 9, which gives us 8626. And since we have square root here, recall whenever we have root of x in indices, what does it mean? It means x raised to the power 1 over 2. So here we multiply the logarithm by 1 over 2, which is the same thing as dividing it by 2. So let's do the workings here. We have 1.8626 divided by 2, and that gives 0. 2 goes here 1, 2 goes here 1, 0. Then here we have 18, 2 goes in 18, 9, 2 goes in 6, 3, 2 goes in 2, 1, 2 goes in 6, 3, 9313. So we write it here, 0.9313. Now here we can add, since we are multiplying, we add the logarithm values. Zero plus 3, 3, 5 plus 1, 6, 3 plus 3, 6, 7 plus 9 plus 9, we have 18, so we have 8, we take 1, 1 plus 0, 1 plus 0, 1. Now here we take the antilog of our final value. And the antilog of 86 under 6 difference 3 using the antilog table would give 7350. Now to figure out where the decimal point is going to be, it depends on this integer. Since we have 1 here plus 1, that's 2. That means our decimal point will be after the first 2 digits, 1, 2. So this gives our final answer. Thank you.